Oh, do you?
What?
Is his spatial sentence?
Oh, a special phrase, sentence, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Actually, no. No.
What? My friend. Wait, I forgot it. Let me remember. Oh. Okay. Okay. My friend. You are not my friend. You are my brother, my friend. Yes. That's his special phrase. Freestyle. Oh, that was almost so, wow. First rule of Fight Club is never talk about Fight Club.
What the fuck are you talking about? You just saying random quotes.
Quotes from the WhatsApp status. Oh wow, nice. Okay, demolish.
Oh,
Demolishes. Boom. 1 done, 6 left. Ah,
you'll
stop.
get a reputation. They will be
Go.
scared.
Freestyle. Do shit.
Just
I'll
take
Yeah,
pass
it
on
is
that.
okay. One is
No,
dead.
no.
One of them is dead. But what? How the? What? They
It's
have
okay,
armor.
let me
guys.
take the ball. Let me take the ball.
I swear in God, they have
Shit.
armor, guys. What the fuck? Yeah, for real. I just.
Bulletproof vest. Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Thanks. Oh, he's been so kind. He's about to die again.
Oh wow. Oh wow. GG.
I made my reputation.
You're having way too much fun with this.
Wow. You're making them angry, man. He's chasing you. Check the kill cam. Check this replay.
I saw it.
Look at them. Wow.
I'll pass it.
Okay, pass it. Pass it. I got this.
Ah, shit.
shit.
Yeah, I didn't have the
I'm
angle.
crying. I'm literally crying. Yes.
Another one.
Ah, shit. I missed it.
Oh
up.
my God! I just did it. Yes.
Did you get the achievement?
Exterminate.
I got. Yes, I did. Okay, guys. I'm about to become Spider-Man.
Sometimes a great thing to do is just accidentally, well, between apostrophes, accidentally drive in front of them so they won't be able to hit the ball. Not bump them, but make them bump you,
Like,
if you know what I mean.
I don't
You know
know.
what I mean?
I know
Really
Demolition.
creepy voice.
Leaving after this one?
Yeah. Unfortunately. I'll come back tomorrow.
I've got a very busy schedule. No, I'm just kidding.